to DP's education. In this video, we are going to learn about nth term of an arithmetic progression, example 7 from the textbook. So, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Now, let us see how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3. So, the first two-digit number which is divisible by 3 is 12, and the next digit is 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. It will continue up to 99. So, because 99 is the only two digit number which will divisible by 3. Now, let us write the formula for nth term of an AP, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here they are asking how many digits like this, like 12, 15, 18, 21 and up to 99. So, between this starting from 12 to 99. So, starting from 12 to 99, how many digits are there, like which will divisible by 3, for so that we have to find here. So, here the value of a is 12 and the common difference d is 15 minus 12, which is equals to 3, and the value of an is 99, and we have to find the value of n here. So, now let us substitute all these values in the given equation. We get 99 is equals to 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. So, 99 minus 12 is equals to n minus 1 into 3. 87 is equals to n minus 1 into 3. N minus 1 is equals to 87 divided by 3. So, this will be 3 1s are 3 2s are 6 and 3 9s are 27. So, the value of n is 29 plus 1, which is equals to 30. So, there are 30 two digit numbers which are divisible by 3. So, from starting from 12 to 99, there are 30 digits which are divisible by 3. So, this is example 6 from arithmetic progression textbook. So, check whether 301 is a term of list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23. So, here what they have given is they are given the list of numbers. So, this is the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23, and they are asking to find whether 301 is there in this list of numbers. Here they have mentioned this sequence is a list of numbers. They have not mentioned whether this list of numbers is arithmetic progression AP or not. So, first we have to find whether these list of numbers are in AP. For that we have to find the common difference d. So, common difference d is equals to 11 minus 5, which is equals to 6, 17 minus 11, which is equals to 6, 23 minus 17 is equals to 6. So, if we observe, we are getting the same common difference. So, this list of numbers are in arithmetic progression. So, this list of numbers are in arithmetic progression. Now, to check whether this number 301 is a term of this arithmetic progression, let us write the formula for nth term of an arithmetic progression, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So, here they have given the value of a is equals to 5, and that common difference d is equals to 11 minus 5, which is equals to 6, and we have to take the value of an is equals to 301, and we have to find the value of n. What is the value of n? And after substituting all these values in this equation and finding the value of n, we have to check for the condition that if n is positive integer, if n is positive integer, this 301 will be a term of this arithmetic progression. If n is not positive integer, if n is not positive integer, this 301 will be not the term of this arithmetic progression. So, we have to find the value of n and we have to see whether n is a positive integer or not. So now let us substitute all these values in the formula of nth term of an arithmetic progression. That is 301 is equals to 5 plus n minus 1 into 6. 301 minus 5 is equals to n minus 1 into 6. 296 is equals to n minus 1 into 6. N minus 1 is equals to 296 divided by 6. So here 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. That is n minus 1 is equals to 148. N is equals to 148 plus 1 divided by 3. Therefore value of n is 151 divided by 3. So here the value of n is not a positive integer, it is a form of fraction, that is 151 divided by 3. So 301 is not a term of, therefore 301 is not a term of AP. So 301 is not a term of given arithmetic progression.